You hear that? That's a little sizzle, sizzle, crack, crack. That means it's time for breakfast. My dame allowed me.
I did what?
Keep walking. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people. Gee. My dame allowed me to go kayaking this morning, so I did a brief trip. Got a mile in. Now I'm making breakfast. We have had a challenging weekend weather-wise, where I, at least, am trying to maintain a positive attitude. I had a funky attitude from the beginning. I've changed my ways. We got a list of activities planned. We'll sit there, all go down. Maybe the kids go to the water park. I'm going to do a couple things. Maybe go talk to Tom and Julie a little bit. And have a special dinner tonight. You're going to have to wait for that one. For now, we're going to have pancakes. Not bacon stuffed this time. Pancakes, bacon, and scrambled eggs. Basic breakfast today. The stove is on and hot, so just be careful walking by. No early warning.
This time.
It is our final night here at Bishop Lake Campground here at Brighton Recreation Area. And for dinner tonight, something special. Bacon wrapped chicken lollipops, and we're going to have smoked cheese and potatoes by Stella's request. And canned green beans. Don't judge me. I've been cooking all weekend. I'm tired. What? The dame is over here complaining about canned green beans. What would you like, madame? I cooked for her all weekend. She can eat the canned green beans.
I like canned green. I'll eat more for dinner.
Anyway, that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Bacon wrapped chicken lollipops, smoked cheese and potatoes, and green beans, and some sort of bread, maybe some rolls or something. I will show you what the chicken lollipops look like. So these are what the bacon wrapped chicken lollipops look like. Basically, it's just a chicken drumstick with the knuckle meat taken off. That kind of gives you a handle to hold like a lollipop. You can eat it down, and it's wrapped in bacon. And your choice of rub or seasoning. I used Weber Kickin' Chicken seasoning for these. I'm going to throw these on and run them to 165 internal, probably 160 internal. Take them out, drench them in some barbecue sauce, and then put it back in until they glaze over for 10 or 15 minutes or so. So probably run a final internal temp of about 170. Right, here we go. So here are our smoked chicken lollipops and canned green beans during that starter show. And Stella's favorite, smoked cheesy potatoes. All right, dinner time, down the hatch. Hello again, friends, and thus ends another camping weekend. Had a decent time at Brighton Recreation Area at Bishop Lake Campground. We keep saying we have so many faves, but we'll just start saying, yeah, this is one of our top 5s. We come here twice a year. Actually, we only have it booked once this year. But this is our favorite, one of our favorites since we started camping here. I arrived Friday on a beautiful, hot but beautiful day and decided to chill for the day. I'm sorry, I arrived Thursday. The family arrived Friday. When they arrived, Friday and Saturday and half today Sunday, we got rain. We made the best of it. Brandy took the kids to a museum at the University of Michigan. Stella got to bring one of her favorite cousins to camp this weekend. So they enjoyed that and they got to do some fun things. But we were kind of stuck inside for a lot of time. Mostly Saturday and Sunday. Made the best of it. Cooked up some good meals. Finally got good weather. Monday, got some kayak time in. Kids went paddle boarding. So we made the best of it, even though the weather didn't cooperate. Get to meet up with some really cool people. Tom and Julie from the Tent Stake. Definitely check them out. They were really cool. I did a little interview with them, and they came in last night to hang out by the campfire for a little bit. So we'll be hooking up with them again. They're really fun, very interesting, and really cool couple. So definitely check out the Tent Stake on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. That's it for this weekend. I'm going to enjoy doing my solo wrap-up videos. Sometimes Brandy and I will jump in together, but in the haste of packing up and beating the rush to the dump station, we sometimes forget. So usually on the drive home, I will do the closeout. So that's what we're doing again. So wrapping up the weekend, headed home. Today is Independence Day, the 4th of July, and I got to go to work. So that's why I'm rushing home right now. Had the option to take the day off, but it's a double time holiday for me, so we have the option to use that either in pay or compensatory time. So I take it in comp time. That way I get more camping. So it's kind of important that I get there and get a full day's work in. Hopefully it won't be too busy. Well, that's it, my friends. Until next time, remember to shut down, log off, get outdoors, and enjoy this beautiful country that God has created for us. See you soon. Hello, friends. It's time to wait. As soon as I decide to do a video, the staff wants to start cutting grass now. I'll be back. So here we go. Okay, the griddle's hot, so I'm going to put, damn it! We're going to make the best out of weekend. Damn it. Here we go, more bloopers. So the family has been day tripping all day. Visited a museum, I think in Ann Arbor. Words are hard sometimes. Just words are hard. for dinner tonight as a bug went up my nose. Oh, jeez. Anyway.